Chakir Academy, a family of learning. Listen to the sentences.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. What's up? Can you help me? Thank you. You're welcome. Sorry about that. Excuse me. Pardon me. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How's your day going? I'm good, thanks. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? How old are you? What's your favorite food? I don't know. Of course. Absolutely. That's right. That's true. I see. Got it. Let me think about it. I'll get back to you. What's the weather like? How was your weekend? What are your plans for tonight? Can I have a glass of water, please? Do you have a moment? Nice to see you again. See you later. Take care. Have a good day. How do you spell your name? What's your phone number? What's your email address? Where is the nearest gas station? How much does it cost? Can I pay with credit card? Do you accept cash? What time is it? Can you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. What do you mean? I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you explain it to me? That makes sense. I agree. I disagree. I don't care. Whatever you say. It's all good. That's hilarious. That's ridiculous. That's insane. That's amazing. That's impressive. That's surprising. I'm bored. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm scared. I'm happy. I'm sad. That's not fair. That's unfair. That's unjust. That's wrong. That's right. That's just. That's reasonable. That's ridiculous. That's absurd. That's ridiculous. That's unacceptable. That's inappropriate. That's offensive. That's disrespectful. That's rude. Can you give me a hand? Can you lend me some money? Can you do me a favor? Can I ask you a question? Can you tell me more about it? That's interesting. That's boring. That's confusing. That's frustrating. That's disappointing.
Welcome home. How was your day? What's for dinner? Can you help me with something? Thanks for your help. Sorry, I didn't mean to. What's on TV tonight? Do you want to watch a movie? Can you turn off the lights? Where's the remote? Can you pass me the salt, please? I'll do the dishes. Can you take out the trash? Who's at the door? I'm going to bed. Can you tuck me in? Good night, sleep tight. Wake up, it's time for school. Do you want some coffee? I'm running late. Did you feed the dog? Can you pick up some milk on your way home? I love you. I'm sorry. Let's have a family game night. It's family movie night. Can we order pizza? What's your favorite food? Let's have a barbecue. What time is it? Do you want to go for a walk? Can you put some music on? Can you make the bed? I'll vacuum the floor. I'm going grocery shopping. Can you help me unpack the groceries? Can you set the table? What's the plan for the weekend? Let's go to the park. Can you water the plants? I'm going to take a nap. Can you wake me up in an hour? I'm going to take a shower. Can you pass me a towel? Do you want to play a board game? Can you help me organize my closet? Let's have a picnic. Can you wash the car? Can you help me with my homework? Can you read me a story? Can you help me build a fort? Can you help me with my project? Let's bake some cookies. Do you want to go for a bike ride? Can you teach me how to do that? Let's have a dance party. Can you help me pick out an outfit? Can you fix this for me? I'll mow the lawn. Can you help me plant some flowers? Let's have a family photo shoot. Can you help me wrap a gift? Can you make some popcorn? Let's build a snowman. Can you help me decorate for the holidays? I'm going to read a book. Can you recommend a good book? Do you want to go for a swim? Can you help me with my hair? Let's make some hot chocolate. Can you help me write a letter? Can you help me with this puzzle? I'm going to clean the bathroom. Can you help me clean the kitchen? Let's have a family meeting. Can you help me plan a party? Can you help me wrap presents? I'm going to practice my instrument. Can you play a song for me? Let's have a picnic.